Okay, here we are. You locate your vertical hose on the back of your toilet. A pair of scissors or a pocket knife. You cut it, you lose a little bit of water, not much. Take your screwdriver clamp, slide it down. You can tighten it up a little bit, just keep them falling all the way. And the screwdriver clamp. If you choose to, you can cut a piece of tubing out for your valve, which I'm going to do. A little piece there. Makes it a little easier for your valve to fit in. You got directional arrow on your valve for your flow to go up. Slip it on your line. Slip your top one on. Slide your clamps up and tighten them. The direction of this doesn't make any difference. You can turn it wherever way you want. And you're going to take your tubing, slide it on your tank. You've got a clamp here if you choose to use it. We send it with it. You can slide it up. Put it on there as such. Then you bring your tank. We're going to mount it on this side of the toilet. There is 3 screws. I'm just going to put 2 in, just by choice. Then you come around back to your valve, pull your tubing around, kind of measure it where you want it, cut it by choice, slip it on. You can also put a clamp there if you like. Open your toilet up. You can see you got clean water in there. We're going to add our cleaner, sanitizer, whatever one you want to choose. We're just putting a little bit in for demo purposes. Put your lid back on it. As soon as you flush the toilet, you will see water flow through your hose and cleaner. In your toilet, you will also see the color and the fragrance of your cleaner.